Okay, nandito na kami sa Oxford. Maghahanap na kami ng school ni Nejin.
Ito daw, Oxford Computer College.
Ayan.
Royal Oxford Hotel.
Hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta. Lakad lang kami. Wait, hold on.
Is there any house here?
Dito ako mag-aaral, anak, ng ano, college. At na maghahanap tayo ng house. Gusto mo, maghanap. Maghanap. Overnight. Kasi makakabila akong damit.
Yeah, yun ang purpose nito. Ano may silo?
Nasaan? Kampan.
Sa back.
Kahit t-shirt.
Sabi mo pa sa video.
Wala ng damit. Ang damit ko is from day 1 pa. Ito mag-inay everyday change outfit. Saan? Yun. Yan. Lakad lang kami. Sinundan lang namin yung flow ng tao. Wala kaming search. Yan. Maganda pa rin yung weather kasi may araw pa rin. Saan? Mukha naman dodgy. Search na lang mamaya. Pagod ka na, anak? Daming energy ni Nejin. Happy ikaw?
Yes.
Yes. Bakit? Anong
Happy on the next holiday na.
next holiday na uli na naman ikaw. Nasaan tayo?
Where's your home? I still can't see it.
Nasaan tayo? Oxford.
I still can't see our home.
Ay, tayo maghahanap tayo ng home. Ayun, may swimming pool.
No, it's for dogs.
It's also for kids.
No, it's for dogs. But I don't want to go there.
Yan, mahal.
Harry Potter tour.
Huwag na yun,
Sabi na nagsasabi namin, huwag na yun.
Ayun, sumali ka na dyan sa mga walking tour. Ayan, katapos lang namin kumain sa Papay. Supposedly, uwi na kami after ng day tour namin. Pero parang naingaan nyo kaming mag-book ng hotel at magstay pa for another night. Siguro walking tour yan. So, papunta na kami sa hotel na binook namin. Along the way lang kanina dun sa nilakada namin. So last minute booking siya. Ala, yung damit 8.99. Bumili pala kami ng damit dito na may Oxford shirt. Empress na lang binilhan namin. Ako bali wala na akong isusot mamayang gabi. So sightsee na. Hindi, bibili ako ng damit. Kahit damit na lang. May brief pa naman ako. Ganda. Daming tao. Napaka-vibrant nung lugar. Daming tao, ang daming kainan. Magaganda ng mga building. Nanay, turn left yata yan. Left yata. Mahal! Mahal! Saan tayo punta, mahal? Tutulog na.
So, sabi niya, first, let's see our holiday movies.
Lakitang puwet! Lutang balat! Pitik! Pitik mo si BM, nanay. Yun. Itatry na namin enroll si Empress as transfer student sa Oxford. Diba? Maybe the universe will conspire. Conspire ba? Basta universe will align. Nandito siya mag-aaral in the future. Diretso pa ba? Uuwi na tayo! Uwi na! Uwi na! Uwi na! Gusto mo sa hotel mag-sleep? Dapat magre-read ng book, ha? Diretso. Magre-read ka ng book, ha?
I know that book.
Ano daw?
I know that book.
Ala, hindi pwedeng ganyan. Ito, may market, oh. Ano? Ah, ito. Ah, ganda ng ano, University of Oxford.
As soon as I saw that, first thing I thought of.
Ano yung banana tree eh? Sa left mo. Ito lang. Eurobar. Eurobar. Eurobar and hotel. Hindi.
I know hotel, October, hotel.
Eurobar and hotel.
Opposite yata yung opposite side.
Wala.
Ay, nako.
Ha? Eurobar and Hotel. Ito na. Tandaan. Baka ito.
Ano sa harap to eh? Ano sa harap yung opening?
Ah, talaga ba? Tara nga. Oo, yun na Euro. Ayun na, Eurobar and Hotel.
Baka ni ba ito naman?
Ewan ko nga.
Ano sa harap?
Hindi namin makita yung entrance ng hotel. Along the main road lang siya. Pero wala siyang banner or board kung saan papasok. Ang ganda ng weather. Sun. Aray ko! Ah, ito. Ito pala. Ayan. Pasok. Welcome to our hotel, mahal. Wala. Ay, maganda ah. Hoy, bata.
I'm Jerry. I'm Tom.
Ay, oh. What a wexo.
Kabila pala. Anak, wait. May ito na ba?
Uy.
Tinatakot ako sa ano.
Ano? Confusing nga yung ano din, no?
What?
Anong binabasa mo, mahal? Tell me. Oh, naku, 24 pa sana eh. Nasaan tayo? Mahal.
Daddy,
Po.
remember this?
Sino yan?
Elsa.
Elsa. Cinderella yan eh. Anak, we have a new room. Do you like it? This is your bed? Ala. Happy ka? Masaya ka? Ha? Check mo doon. Anong makikita doon?
Let's see the bathroom.
Okay. Wow! Ay, walang ba, ano?
There's a curtain here. Oh,
Ay, sa gilid.
it's the dates with tape.
Pati you should take. Kailangan ko magdala ng ano? Ang init naman. Pati mo po. Kailangan pagod dun sa ano.
Kita.
History of kaya sa siyo sa
Ah, tara, pwede natin puntahan.
12 to 5. Anak, wait! Tati, sama kami tayo dito. Anak, wait! Take picture first.
Ah, sarado.
Down.
Ay, sa baba. Oh, Lyra, kapangalan ni Lyra.
Give me the jacket, sir. Give me the jacket.
Ate mo anak niya. Ano yan? Saan mo nakuha na naman yan?
From the stairs. It's a ladybird.
Mapicture ka dito. Eh, ano na rin, may nadabot na naman.
Kailangan pumunta pa kayo yan, ah.
Ang bilis ka ng mata niyan. Pag naglalakad kami sa school, pag may nakita yan, tama ba eh.
Ano yan, ah?
Ano yan? Saan mo nakuha yan?
This is the cabinet of curiosity.
Cabinet of Curiosity.
Shall we go back up?
Anong basa dito, anak? Basahin mo to.
I wanna go back up.
Basa mo na.
Basa mo to. Dali na.
Fine.
Ah.
You are glorious. Lyra's. Lyra's? Is this Lyra's? Is this Lyra where she goes?
Sino si Lyra?
From school.
School si Lyra yung classmate mo. Basa mo to. Yun.
Is that the fake crow? Alright, let's go on.
Magna cum laude. Hindi. Sa tayo galing anak? Sa History of National Science Museum. Papupunta na kami sa library kung saan sinut ang Harry Potter. Anak, lakad. Ay, nasa likod mo. Nasaan tayo anak? Sabi mo, Oxford. We are in Oxford. Anong gagawin mo dito? Sabi dito ka na mag-aaral. Ala. Sabi mo, tabi ka doon sa kanya. Sabi mo, quiet. Dali na. Picture ka dito, oh. Sabi mo, quiet. Anak, ganun. Ayun na yung ano. Nasa daming tao. Ay, ganda, oh. Tayo ka dito, anak. Ay, ito. Bodleian Library. I like this. Gayahin mo muna.
One more.
Ah. Sakay. Sakay, anak. Sakay. Ito yung bridge of sight.
Good spotting, Big T.
Let's go find the toy. Oi, oi. Daddy, where's that toy shop gone now?
Bis-
Hurry, get a toy now.
Tara. Hindi tayo sa isa pumasok. Huwag dito.
Oh, I see you.
Doon ginanap yung mostly ng scenes nila. Wow, anak ko, ang ganda. Ang ganda nung mga bas relief niya. Dito tayo ngayon sa Bodleian Library. Hindi na kami papasok kasi may bayad. So, yung Bodleian is isa sa mga shooting location ng Harry Potter. Anak, oh, may laki. Hindi, may ano pa, may school. Wala. Ala, sold out. Grabe naman.
No, I don't want that.
Ba't naman sold out? Patali natin mambukas.
Check mo yung ano. I-scan mo na.
Ang ganda pala niya, oh. Ayun na, doon sa may puno. So, pasok sana kami dito sa Christchurch College. Kaso hindi na siya pwedeng pumasok kasi sold out na yung ticket niya.
They don't dare na.
Bakit? We just want to check, anak.
No.
Yan nga, may mall nga. It's going to the mall. It's going to the mall. Ganda rin, oh, parang Canterbury. We're going to the mall. Anong bibilhin na toys ni Empress? Ang daming tao ngayon dito sa Oxford. So, either mga nag-aaral dito, nakatira at mga tourists. Nakagaya namin. Left. Oh, dito tayo galing kanina eh. Ayun oh.
Where are we going?
Mukhang safe naman yung lugar na to. Kasi mostly nga tourist yung nandito. So yung sunod na pupuntahan namin yung isa pa sa mga shooting location ng Harry Potter, kung saan sila nag-event, kung saan sila sinalubong during yung entrance nila sa Hogwarts. Hala, bata. Oh, kamustahin mo yung baka?
They're just eating grass.
Anong Tagalog ng cow?
Fuck.
Baka. Oh, sabi mo, kamusta baka?
Tati,
Mm.
are you serious? Are you serious? Cows don't talk.
Ay. Pretend. O, dali. Kamustahin mo yung baka? Dali.
They don't talk. They don't talk.
Oil ka dito.
What?
Mga baby yung cow, oh.
Are you sure? Are you
Owner
sure, Tati?
Stuart Young.
Tati, are you sure or what?
Sure what? About what?
Tati, my ears are cold.
Wala na yun. Nagulat. Nasaan na?
It's right there.
Nagtago. Nagulat kay Empress. Slowly. Pababa. So, anong date na ngayon? February 26, Monday. Nandito pa kami ngayon sa Oxford kasi nga nag-extend kami, nag-decide kami nag-check-in muna. So ito early in the morning. Wala pang masyadong tao unlike kahapon. Isa pa is bank holiday ngayon. So mostly ng mga establishment will be opened at 10 o'clock in the morning. So i-take na namin yung opportunity. Nauwi na rin kasi kami mamaya. Check out namin is 11. So yung gamit namin, yung mga maleta at yung mga napamili namin, iwan muna namin doon sa hotel. Check out na lang namin. And then yung bus stop or bus station doon lang sa likod ng hotel, so convenient. Diretso lang.
Pwede maupo dito.
Ayan, oh. Kita nyo naman lumang-luma na yung mga building. Ganda ng sikat ng araw pa rin. Oh anak, pickle yun. Balik kami dun sa pinitsura namin kahapon ng may bridge. Kasi kahapon ang daming tao. Meron yata dito darling, diretso ka na lang dito.
Around 8 o'clock. But today is Monday. Bank holiday and
Ay, yung kahapon na pinitsura nyo. Empress.
hello.
A morning walk sa Oxford, along the Oxford Street. Ayan, wala pang tao. So kung pupunta kayo dito sa Oxford, mas maganda kung maglalakad kayo at magpicture na maon or pag minsan wala talaga, walang magpo-photobomb sa picture or video nyo. Mas maganda po lumakad kayo ng maaga. Like ito, lumabas kami ng 8 o'clock. Hindi na rin naman kami nakatulog. Antok. Kaya lumabas na kami.
Walang tao yung kalsada.
Alos walang tao yung kalsada. Yan yung diba? Mga nagja-jogging and mga nagbabike.
Cars are going there, not here.
Anak. Liliko yun, darling. So, nandito kami sa may University of Oxford. So, mag-i-claim na namin, mag-i-enroll kami. Mag-i-enroll si Empress. Hindi ang ganda nung ano. Ayun na, University of Oxford, Reuben College. Ayun. Anak, halika na. Najin. Mitas na naman. Siyempre, mitas naman na ng bulaklak. Ayaw magpa-picture. Mahal.
Push your legs. Oh, open. Ay, negi na. Balik ka na.
Quick photo shoot. Ay. Ang ganda ng simbahan. Yan yata yung park, nanay. Oo. Punta kami sa park. Tara. Try na yung visit sa park. Walang tao. Hala, pangit na yung wheels. Ang ganda ng park nila. Sana sa Pilipinas madami ring park na kagaya dito. Ang lawak. Yung sa Pilipinas kasi yung mga pag-ari ng government ginagawang mining. Dami. Baka meron dyang anak, squirrel. Squirrel. Daming acorn. Pan-display to sa bahay, ano?
Oo, nilalagay pag Christmas. Alam mo yun? May binigay sa akin ni doktor.
Oo. Acorn.
Find a little one.
Nasaan? Dalhin mo.
University of Oxford Science Area siya dar.
Yung. Yung kalina. Ano malalaman?
Nakita ko sa sa map. Pinopen ko. Ayan kinlik ko.
Alakad. Crocodile. Can I see? Sorry. Kasi mag-swimming, anak. Walang isda, no?
Can I throw a stick in there?
Apa.
Then I put the stick in there. Floating stick. It's a floating stick in there. I used to make a boat.
Pag-transfer ng bangka from one side to the other. Anak, baka may buhaya dyan.
Buaya. Dahil yun ang buaya.
Wala, ano yun? Akala ko may duck. Ay, duck na.
Malandak.
Kaya na, anak, lalapit na sila. Lalapit na kay Mother Empress. Yan na sila.
Ano ka na, anak?
Yeah, kiss Empress, kiss.
No.
They want to kiss Empress.
But you don't have bread.
Wala ya. Ayun pa anak yung malaking goose.
Nanay, guys. Nanay, guys.
Yeah.
Ayan oh.
It's going faster.
Walang swan anak.
Can you sing the song?
Remember yesterday you see I found a big ball.
Ano nakita mo?
A giant ball.
Nakalik ka na. Be. Come on.
This one.
Anak may fox oh.
That's a fox from my tail.
Anong feel anak? Oh, anak oh.
Look at that bird. Daddy, look.
Ano yan? Ibon is a Opisthocomus hausen. Anak ito ah.
The first dinosaur. Sino yan?
It's Megalosaurus.
Sino yan?
Megalosaurus.
Fossil.
Very early fossil.
It's a bug.
Anak, insect. Ang laki oh. Ang laki.
Daddy, can I see a mirror of that?
Nanay, buhatin mo nga daw. Hindi pa tinapon eh. Ayun oh, check mo dito oh, smallest insect. Smallest insect.
Kita mo?
Yes, it's inside there.
So it becomes... You see it?
Yeah.
Anak, ang laki oh.
Daddy, there's an eagle.
This is a golden eagle.
Yeah, that's a golden eagle. Daddy, look here. Daddy, look what I found. Ducks.
Oh yeah, that.
Wow.
It's DNA.
Ay, nako.
Ay, anak, yung paborito mo oh.
Bird cup yan. Sino yan?
Yeah, that's hedgehog.
Porcupine. Sino yan?
Ito, kiwi oh.
Dolphin.
Kiwi.
And I that's a mommy vulture.
Vulture?
Yeah, that's a vulture. That's a giant peacock.
Ala, Papa Kirol has like that.
I know.
Mhm.
What?
Yan.
I don't know what kind of that. And meron ako. And I see big bugs. Can you see it come?
There's a bag. Oh, yeah.
Nanay ah. Daming bags.
Skeleton parade. Oh, hala, pandas. Oh, hanapin mo ito na. Oh. Skeleton parade. Going up.
Patingin din sa camera. Hello!
We
Yee!
are a National History Museum.
Anong activity natin, anak? Finding the...
Mouse.
Mousy.
Mouse trail.
Who's leading in
Who's
finding the
leading?
mouse?
How many did you see?
How many?
Ilan nakita mo na?
Oh. On the mirror.
Yeah, in the mirror.
I got 5 now.
Na, 5. And then,
Why
11 is
Why that mouse is taking a mirror break?
second floor.
Look at the man. They're using the mirror.
And why is the rat using the mirror on the
Who
book?
wants to see yourself? Second floor.
Anna, can you try to read this? Give it to the lady.
Second floor.
Oh, wow!
Good job.
What you will say to the lady? Alright, have a nice day.
Can I take the toy?
Okay, let's go.
Over here.
Ano yun?
Check my hand.
Here. It will be like Hawaii. Go, go, go. Hanay!
Right.
See Hawaii. That's it.
I'm gonna give this to the lady. Found it first.
You have 6. You found 6. Nanay found 1. Tati found 2.
Hello, why Empress
next.
always...
Last one.
That's
A sword for a mouse eater. A sword. Anak, sword.
That's very easy for me.
Okay, I will find the mouse again.
Very easy for me.
Hello?
Kaya ba?
Ayabang ni Beijing talaga.
Sword daw, sword.
Sword. Here. I will find the sword. It will be here.
No, it's not there.
It says sword. It's sword. Sword. Where's the mouse? It will be here.
Sword for a mouse eater. Nasa clue.
Ayun! Nakita ni tate.
Tate is 3.
Tate is 3.
Empress is 6. Nana is 1.
But Daddy, I got 6.
Yabang na.
Sa kabila na. Ikot tayo.
I'll be first.
You will be first. Okay, other side. 2 more. In the car.
There.
Yeah, other side. Stays here, you won't drop this one. Oh, it stays here, you won't drop this one.
Where's that from?
This side and that side. The other one is the mouse hooked on fishing. Come here now, one. Here, hooked on fishing. Yeah, fine, hooked on fishing.
Pan. Ano? Ang galing ni Empress. How many?
Last one.
Yes.
You won't drop this one. 12 is other side, anak.
Hello, it
On the
will be
trap.
here. It will be here on the trap.
You won't drop this one.
It will be here. I will find it.
It's more dyan. Dito muna. Dito lang. Around here. Maybe trap.
Ayun! I found it! Ayun. Here!
So, Tati found how many?
But Daddy, I got 6.
7.
8. Empress found 8.
Daddy, I got 8.
And Nanay 1. And Tati is 3. 3 or 4?
4.
4.
Oh, let's go get the sticker.
Oh, hold it.
Hold.
Give it to down. Let's go down.
That mouse is very. All of those mouses are very sneaky.
Yeah.
That sneaky mouse.
I will be the one. Oh, look for a mirror, anak. You will...
Bilis.
Well, that's a quick one. Oh, well done. How did you find it?
Same on the 10.
Because it's
And
under
10.
it's under the pot.
Is this mouse taking a tea break?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one.
That's the
Taking
one.
a tea.
He's
Okay.
taking a tea.
And how about the mirror?
Look
You're
in the
not
mirror.
supposed to take it.
Here in the mirror, anak. Find
You're
the mirror.
supposed to.
Hello, nanay will find it na. Dali.
I'll go first.
I will find the mouse. It say you can play the mouse with this.
With that?
Oh yeah, good job. Nibbling at cheese.
Yes, nibbling at cheese. That's number 8.
Oh, number 9.
Number 7.
Then I didn't know I found it first.
Yeah, well done.
Number 7.
Good spot.
Number 7 is...
You can play with the game.
1, 2.
Here.
Here. The next
Yeah, it
one.
must be here.
It must be here or something.
Yeah, okay, I will find
So
it.
I'll find it.
Empress is good in spotting the mouse.
Spot 1, Empress spot 3.
Empress is the winner. No, I will beat Empress. There's another one here, anak.
Here, this side.
Can I see? Can you put me up?
Ayun. Madaya.
Yep. No, right there.
Ayun, I found one. Tati,
He's nibbling the chest.
Chest.
come out. I found a mouse. Ah, I thought it's a real mouse. Can I see?
Says you can play games. Wait for the games.
Must be here. I will find it, Empress. Yeah, Tati will find it this time.
At saka yung 8 na sa pinaka.
Grabe, ano mga nakuha nila to sa ibang bansa.
And
Let's see. I will find it. Wait, anak. Hold on.
Ito ba yan? Ito?
Oh,
So, ito yung dito yung 8.
play a games.
still can't see it.
Ano siya eh? So, next.
Baka meron dito sa likod. Oh, sorry. Nanay! Baka nandito kasi may mga ano to.
With the
Uy, anak, huwag ka dyan! Kasi itong mga violin, oh.
Daddy, I'm over here with you.
Have you find the mouse?
Daddy, do you know this is where Marida got bow and arrows?
Yeah, it's bows and arrows. Well done, anak. Where's
Yeah.
the next mouse?
Daddy, wait! Daddy, this is where the mummies.
Ang hirap makita.
Daddy, come! This is where the mummies live. Come.
I see.
They live inside.
Oh yeah, you're right.
They live
Where can you find the mummy?
inside here.
Yeah, which country it will be? Yeah. Can you read that?
Nanay, this is where the mummy lives.
Yeah, saan galing ang mami?
They live in the pyramid.
Pyramid.
Saan country nga?
Saan? Anong country?
Is it here?
Puppetry bus. Oh, anak, they have a...
Oh, mouse trail.
Oh, let's try this.
Follow the clues
Activity.
to find 14 mice. We need to find the mice. It's here. One is...
Nanay. Ay, si nanay. Sinong kamukha dyan ni nanay?
You know this one?
Ano yan?
That's a flying.
Sa Philippines, anak ko. Flying lemur. You can find it in Philippines.
Nanay,
Mali pa spelling in
Nanay,
Philippines.
Nanay, I found some.
Snap up,
I found something.
Ano to na? Dito na ang baso na ayos ko. Ganito. Oh.
Ba't sarado?
Ba't sarado ka?
Anak, ito, ang dami pang unggoy.
Dinosaurs lived in million years ago?
Yeah, that's a Brachiosaurus.
Sino yan? Hindi, I know, elephant. Then,
That's a Brachiosaurus with a long neck.
They live what?
They lived 100 million years ago.
100 million years ago? Oh, ito na ko, your brain. Brain coral.
Look at this.
ano
Daddy,
yan?
touch it.
Anong pangalan yan?
Daddy, touch it. It's furry.
Yeah. Ano yan?
Then I touch this.
O, basahin mo nga to.
Then I touch this. That's otter.
Okay, very good.
Water.
Ala, anak! Tingnan mo yan, oh, ang laki.
That's a turtle.
Turtle? That's turtle. Oh, say something about turtle.
Nakakatakot naman to.
Ito ba yan? Ano ba? This is ano to na?
Yeah, I will come. Ano yan? Oh no! What is that?
That's a fake giant crocodile.
It's so giant. Oh.
This is a large crocodile.
That is Nile crocodile.
That's a Nile crocodile lives in the water. Then I
Ayun na.
What? It's eating a
Ala,
fox.
they're eating the fox. Wawa.
But there's langaw, anak ko.
I know.
Ano to?
Manok.
This, Daddy, what is this?
It's a lynx.
A lynx is eating a fox.
Yeah, wawa ang fox.
Hanapin mo na to si ano. Hindi mo nakita.
Tara doon sa may unggoy.
It's for Dodo. Paano hindi mo nakita to?
Yan, Dudu.
Lala, give me that. Give me.
And then Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ay, yeah.
Ano yan?
That one. Okay.
Next.
Its skeletons make up bony parade mammals. The tallest one is the giraffe. The giraffe was collected.
Yung mga anak, oh. Tut.
I will show you something. Close your eyes.
Anak, doon tayo sa unggoy. Dito, nanay. Ang cute, oh, ang liit. Wala silang tarsier.
Tarsier and monkeys. Mas probably-
Nasaan? May tarsier?
Tarsier. Ay, mataas niya. Tarsier.
Ayaw nga, ano. Ay, di tarsius eh.
Look at these giant bugs.
Ito, tarsier.
Ano ginagawa nila? Ano ginagawa ng mami?
Look, like
Ang ginagawa ng mami?
Baby birds.
And, anong ginagawa ng nanay?
Wala, pinapakain ng ano, oh.
Oh, same bird.
Look at that baby.
Anong sabi ng mga baby birds? Anong sabi?
I look here.
Ayun pa, ayun pa, ayun pa, ayun.
Ano yun, ah?
Ah,
Oh, the mom is giving
I know.
a word.
Nanay, this is a millipede.
Anak, huwag kang mag-ano dyan.
Ala, this is your sister. Ala, this is your daddy. Then be
Daddy, daddy. Nanay, look, ducks.
Ah, yan ang tarantula.
Find Oxford Dodo. Find Oxford Dodo. And where's Tyrannosaurus Rex? And?
Ano yan?
That's a penguin. And this is a snowy owl.
Snow.
Snowy owl.
Ano kaya, anak?
Snowy owl. I know snow.
How do you know?
That's a giant worm.
Ang galing, ano, libre pati.
That's a giant snaky worm.
Now it's time to find the Oxford Dodo.
Dudu, find the Dudu.
And the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wala, fish, anak ko, fish bone.
Alright.
Di ba yung itlog guys?
Nanay, ostrich! Look at the giant ostrich.
Saka ikaw dyan?
Nanay, look.
Ostrich egg.
Here, here.
Sino to?
Daddy, I found the egg. Look. Daddy, come. I found the egg.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
an ostrich egg.
Laki. Gusto mo ng ano?
There's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Oh, this is the one?
Yeah?
Same.
Oh.
Galing ni Empress maghanap ng ano,
It's like that.
Ala! Lagay mo yung kamay mo, dali. Nanay, buhatin mo si Empress.
Nanay, it's not a real one. It's a fake.
Can you hold the teeth? Karga ka ni nanay.
Ayoko.
Takot.
Ala, daming butterfly na po.
Nanay, I found something.
Ayun na yung Dudu.
Nanay, found the
Kasi,
It's a
kanya
Dudu.
read muna.
Dudu.
Dodo. Oh, you check. Found it.
check.
Oh, my name is... T-Rex was named after the person who found it. Can you find in the label? So, my name is... Come here.
Ano yan?
I don't know.
It's...
Daddy, do you know that one? It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Ayan, scary.
It's from Tyrann Lizard King. Come here.
Nanay, it says, please do not touch.
Galing ah.
Do not touch.
Just look.
Oh, who is this?
Basahin mo nga.
That's an iguanodon.
Kagaling naman ni Nejin eh.
Anong sabi? Iguanodon.
Ito kaya to?
Nanay, ha?
Do you remember this? Umbrella squid. Little one, inspired Nolan Oh, look at the ano, king crabs.
That's a giant king crab.
Anong gusto mong ulam dyan?
From?
Many bugs.
That's from Iceland.
Ay, ano ng whale anak? Oh, timo oh.
And this is the stand over here.
Ay, may naman siya sa planet.
Paano nalaman ng planet?
And this
This is a
mantle.
Nanay, I'll show you something.
Okay.
Come.
Huwag mo na tayo.
Dito na, paikot. Paikot tayo anak.
Go that side. Yeah, make your right to the
How does it feel?
Hard.
It's hard.
This is from the space. Outer space. Very hard, bro. Yeah. Oh, this is neutrino. Look at this. No. Stromatolite. 2.2 million years ago.
Nanay, I found some.
Oh, ano ka na ba?
That's Earth where we live.
And then where's the sun?
Where's the sun?
This is
What
Mars.
planet?
That's Mars.
Mars. The blue planet is the Mars.
I found something shiny.
Kala mo crystal na oh.
Daddy, look. Daddy, look.
Wow! Wow!
Ano yan?
See the precious, it's pyrite.
Ano yan?
Ang ganda no, pag
It's
nakita mo
gold.
to, kala mo mamahalin na.
It's gold.
It's
As
10?
fool's gold.
It's 10 million years ago.
Look, Iguanodon's head.
Saan?
There.
Iguanodon.
Sino yan?
Mosasaurus.
Ha?
That's a Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus?
Yeah. And
Ano ba ba?
that's Iguanodon's head.
Where's the iguanodon? Is iguanodon?
Anak, buhaya.
Oh, this is...
That's
It's Plesiosaurus.
That's Plesiosaurus.
Makabasa.
Yay! Small one.
Ayun.
Next, follow the reindeer and whales to find this one.
O, dito sa
So,
gitna.
reindeer.
Halika, hanapin natin yung daga, anak.
I'll find it.
Okay. Okay, you find the mouse is berries. Paano imik ng mouse, anak?
Very sneaky.
Reindeer and whales.
Very sneaky though.
Malapit daw sa reindeer, anak.
Where's that reindeer?
Reindeer and whales.
Kalapit yung 2 and 3.
Patingin nga ng map.
Yung 3 is the bells will take you to that one. 2 and 3. Kasi yung 5 is sa kabila.
Ito.
Anak, kalika na. Bedtime. Look. With the reindeer.
That mouse is very sneaky.
Find the, ano.
Ay, anak, oh, ganda, oh.
Daddy, are you looking for your mouse?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are
Find
looking.
the name. Writing.
Anak, dito ka. Asan na yung mouse, anak?
That mouse is very sneaky.
Sneaky.
Tingnan mo yung pagka, niya.
Kaya nga eh. So, dito tayo. Dito kayo na. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and then 5.
Daddy,
1,
Oh,
2,
dito dapat yun.
Daddy, Daddy,
po.
that mouse
3,
is
4. Dito.
that little mouse is very sneaky.
Yeah, very sneaky mouse. Where could it be, anak? Help mo si nanay.
It must be somewhere.
O, nandun daw, anak.
We should be follow the reindeer and whales to find this one.
Ito ang whale.
Whales, reindeer. Dali, dali, we need to find them.
Wala, I will find the mouse. Ayun ang whales, ah.
Kaya nga, reindeer. Doon sa kabila kay tate.
Con.
Kay tate sa kabila.
Boy!
Find, that's yung mouse.
Nasaan ang mouse, anak?
Find that mouse.
Little mouse.
Nasa daw siya. Yung mouse.
Under there.
Ano sabi?
Mousey, where are you?
Follow the reindeer and whales to find this one.
Nasaan ang reindeer?
Kasi ano eh, 1, 2,
Ito na yung whale eh.
Mickey Mousey.
Ayun!
Ayun, nakita ni nanay.
Where's the mouse, anak?
Nasaan? Ayun, nakita ni nanay.
Mickey Mouse. Pero put
Nagsalita na dito.
Nasaan ang reindeer? Oh, next. Ang galing ni nanay. How about Empress?
Dito, dito, sunod. Kasunod, 1, 2. Parang pangatlo. Is the bells will take you to the one. Bells.
Patingin ng plano.
One,
Di dapat ito. Bells
The
daw,
bells.
anak, dito. I will find the mouse. I will find the mouse. Di ba kakita ng mouse? I found it, anak. Nakita ni tate. Ayun, anak. Ayun. Ito. Empress, ito. Ayun.
Can't see it.
Ano tayo?
But where's the eye, silly?
Yan o, there's no eye.
There's no eyes.
Wee.
Oh, next.
Okay,
Oh, very good. High five, anak. High five.
That's my turn.
Okay,
Okay.
your turn. Next.
Brave foot shoulder. Ito. 4.
Ito pala, 4, kabila. Ang haba pala nito.
Wala.
4.
There's a
There
mouse.
is a mouse in the house. 4 sa
Ayan,
back.
dito.
Sa back.
Anak, dito tayo mahal.
The second one.
Ayun yung house. Model A siya.
Ayun na.
Ayun.
Then I'll find it.
Hala, okay, don't find. O, find mo yung mouse.
Found it!
Sa... Ah, very good. Well done.
Okay.
Anak, tanda mo yung book mo? Anong kind ng ano to? Ng tent? Remember yung tipis?
That's a TV's friend.
Ito, tipis. Is it tipis? Ah, next.
Mamaya sa gilid.
5.
5 is from
The mouse
here.
can see the future. Oh, here, we'll go this side. There will be a lot of mouse around.
Wait. I can sit here. I'm small, so I can fit two. Where's that little mousey?
From ano pa? Dito sa 1. Sa side. Pinaka-side.
O anak, find mo yung ano ulit, yung mouse.
1, 2, 3.
Ito. Anak, find the mouse. Saan?
Tama ba?
Found it! Found it!
Ah!
Galing nga!
Very good. High five, anak. High
Because I
five.
saw it with my eyes.
Ang galing ni Jean.
Next, you'll need
I found it already.
you'll need to comb your hair for this one. And the first one. Dali,
Ate,
hindi na comb.
Yeah, go in.
This is not a comb.
Ah, here, anak. Here, in front.
I'm here. Daddy, right here. I'm gonna find it. Where's the cat?
I think it's here. Ah, it will be in the front, anak.
Maybe in the front. Wala na.
Where's that comb?
Ow!
Nice.
Sa pottery, human forming
Ito yun na. Number 6 na ba tayo? 6 dito.
Comb.
It will be in the hair. Anak, try to find the...
You need to comb your hair for this one. You need to comb your hair.
Anak, where is the
I'll
mouse?
find it first again.
Okay,
Go
okay.
that way.
Try to beat nanay and tate.
Where's that sneaky little mouse?
Did you find it? Where?
It's right here.
Oh, it's in the... Well done.
But where's the
That's the comb kasi.
Oh,
The
yeah.
comb. Okay, next 7. You could play games with a mouse. 7 is Saan to?
Dito sa side.
Right? Or ito yung ano eh?
Ito na, yung gilid. Ito, dito, dito.
Next side.
Alright, come here, anak. Ah, look at all the moss.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
What? Yeah.
Wow. This is human form in art. It must be on this side, anak.
You could play